That's near future. As long as you feel that you have enough make consent. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable Lamek Square.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. For sure, Mr. Speaker, and to be sincere, I'm a demoralizing man. Mr. Speaker, the withdrawal of Honorable Joy Ogongi from the board, Mr. Speaker, it has made me to feel low, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this is a motion, even if Mr. Speaker, he has a right to support it or not, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let us not work on intimidation, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, let us not force people, Mr. Speaker, to send the governor home, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as somebody from North Mugirango, Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a verse, Mr. Speaker, where the people were asked between Paranaba and Jesus, Mr. Speaker. But Mr. Speaker, I'm worried, Mr. Speaker, that this house, it has chosen Paranapas instead of Jesus, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as somebody who is coming from North Mugirango, Mr. Speaker, I also see this as total witch-hunt, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we have given an elephant, Mr. Speaker. Why do they need a rabbit also, Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, I was in support, Mr. Speaker, of this, Mr. Speaker. But, Mr. Speaker, I've reasoned the council very carefully, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, somehow, Mr. Speaker, I'm blaming myself, Mr. Speaker, and I'm also blaming the governor, Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Speaker, I'm in record, Mr. Speaker. I myself, Lamek Sikwaya Onyanja, MCA Itibo Ward. I didn't give anybody parcel outside Itibo Ward. Because, Mr. Speaker, the resources, when we are being given resources, we are given according to the people who fought in that ward, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, the issue of people with disability, Mr. Speaker, the council team, we passed that bill in this house. But we didn't give the timeline of the bill when the governor was to appoint that committee. Mr. Speaker, as the majority leader said, Mugara muue na haki umupe, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we have county public service board, Mr. Speaker. And nothing, Mr. Speaker, limiting us as the Honorable House, Mr. Speaker, to call Mr. Kereri on these appointments, Mr. Speaker, he made, Mr. Speaker. We have the power to summon Mr. Kereri, but not the governor, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Kereri is the chair of the Public Service Board, Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Speaker, nothing which is barring us, Mr. Speaker, to summon Mr. Kereri. Mr. Speaker, the issue of payroll, the governor is not an accounting officer anywhere, Mr. Speaker. There is no signature of Governor Amos Kimomi Nyaribo signing salaries of employees, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as we are conducting this, Mr. Speaker, it is good, Mr. Speaker, to do this exercise with a lot of fairness, where everybody is having a right, he or she is having a right to forth whenever he wants, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, and this issue of Honorable Joel, Mr. Speaker, I know, Mr. Speaker, you will deal with it, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity.